Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Aunty, and today we are going to do, as promised, an African lady. But I'm not doing the normal African ladies which are black and they have the costume. We'll just do a face of a African lady. So see, this is the book. You have to start from here. Okay, then you take a turn. African ladies have small nose and a big mouth. I mean to say their lips are big. So this is the nostril. Okay. After making the nostril, you have to make a big three. A big three. Now this line will go straight because we have a different pattern of making lips for the African lady. So this will go straight. From here you will take a turn and come here, and from here try to make it little morta and come here. So this is the morta lips of African lady. Now we take a turn and we make the chin. Okay children, while doing this, don't make this three so much, otherwise it will look as if she is pouting. And secondly, don't make the chin also very big, otherwise she will look like a wizard or a witch. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now our second step is, wherever there is where the head and the nose start, see there is one wakada line which goes inside. Just besides that, here you're supposed to make a straight line, or you can say a V. After making a V, you can make the eye. Now I'm not doing much things in the eye, we'll do that on a later stage. We'll make this eyelid and we shall make the eyebrows. Okay, so we have made the eyebrows. Slowly you all will understand how it is an African lady, because see, everybody has two eyes, one nose, lips, mouth. Only the difference is the skin color and the way they look. Now African ladies have big lips and a little pointed nose which goes forward. Now from here they have a peculiar hairstyle. So we are just making a dash, then we take a turn, make a dash again, then we come down straight, make a gulla. Okay, again we are making one square here. It has gone somewhere here. Is it visible? Yeah. And then from here we are going to make a big earring. Okay, this is her headgear. It is not that big a earring, it is a headgear which is falling down. So nothing to worry. Don't think that how will they hold it, है ना? ऐसा मन में विचार आया तो मत लेकर आना. Now we have one square which goes here and it is all hiding behind. Then we have the neck. Okay, after having the neck, we have a peculiar way of making their necklace. So this will be the necklace of the lady. Then this will go straight. We are making it a little abstract. See, my book is dirty from here, so I will see to that I use such colors that this vanishes off. Now I'm just making one V like that. I'm just doing Vangar Tengada, nothing in peculiar. So this is like a side face. If you all have seen, you all will understand what am I saying. Okay, now from here we will make one dash. Then from here, this can go anyhow, however you wish. Okay, so from here I'll make one dash. Then from here I shall make one big one which goes till the nose. Okay, now this will be a big one. Okay, like that. Let this go like that, this like that, and like that. I've just made few lines here and there. Now we'll quickly sketch pen the entire thing and then we will start with the coloring. This can be sketch pen because it's an abstract lady, an abstract African lady. So quickly I've taken a turn. The nose is a little higher side, but a small nose. In comparison, it's a small nose. A small, this Indians will have a big, the nose and the lip part, this part will be a little bigger for Indians. Now we have to write ulta 3. For Indians it will go up, but for Africans it will go straight, come down, take a turn. It's like a heart which we have made. Then you take a turn and you come here, you make the eye. The magic is the coloring. Always remember, children, coloring makes the magic. Correct? So this is her eyebrows. Can I take my book a little wakru? Funsuk wangru type. These are just lines. You can paint this. There was someone who has asked me, can you teach us acrylic painting? See, now today I'm having a paper, but you can do this same peculiar painting with acrylic colors. It looks stunning. Very pretty it will look. Okay, now since this is the earring, what am I doing? I just did not make it that time. I'm just making few diamonds in her earring, which we'll be coloring. Now this is her neck part, this is her necklace, and in the necklace we'll make similar ones. We'll make few diamonds. Okay, so the diamonds should go like that. Three are enough, rest will follow. Now this is a kind of her costume, and then these zigzags are only the abstract form which we have made to make it look beautiful. Okay, कसं पण करायचं. There is no hard and fast rule that it is to be done असंच. Okay, it's a big square. Now these eyelashes, yes, I could have made it with, but it's okay. This part needs to be a bit nicely done. See, whenever you're drawing any face, see to that your eyes look the best. If your eyes are looking best ho jayegi drawing, correct? Now what should we do? Should we start with the skin part, or let's see whatever colors come to my hand and we will start. So the color which has come to my hand is the Antwerp blue, the light blue and the white. So let us do it in two places. So what am I going to do is, this is a common procedure which has to be followed for all your, this is the end of my book, okay? There are many teachers which make a white border or a black border and then they do, but I don't like to even waste a pinch of paper. I'm very chingus. So okay, let me remove this. In every diamond or every square with what we do, we are going to make the border. Then we are going to do guli with two colors. So I have taken my Antwerp blue and my light blue, and I'm just doing click. And if you want to use it with acrylic, children, what you need to do is the chop technique. Make chop with dark blue, then chop with light blue, and chop with white. So this is my Chinu Minusa white which I'm using here, and it's little dirty, but it's okay. I don't want it that clean either. So this is done. Now the same color I'm using on one more part here. So let me finish it off so that so I do my borders. It's a very colorful painting, children. I keep on telling, please do colorful paintings. Colorful paintings look very eye soothing. Correct? असं ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट ठेवायचं नाही आपलं लाईफ. The way you color portraits your life, children. Remember that. Don't make very sad drawings or any showing some issues. Let the issues go to hell. We are going to make a colorful world. An artist has the talent to make the whole world very colorful, even if it is not. So remember that and do it. So now we take a primary red. I take my babam bole, masti mein dole. I take my dark brown and I take orange. Okay, so I'm taking these three shades and I will do a few part. I'll do this part. So brown borders children. गुली 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 गुलीच करायचं संपूर्ण पेंटिंग मध्ये गुली गुलीच आहे गुली गुली गल्ले 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 गच्ची गच्ची पच्ची पाडी पुडी कंडमडा पालो. Okay, then we are going to use our reds. We have to pull the brown out. बाहेर ये मी तुझ्यावर मी तुझा शर्ट तुम नहीं. I want to play with you. I forgot the word which is to be used. So गुंची पुंची गुंची पुंची गुंची पुंची and एक थोड़ा सा white भी छोड़ दिया. ले तेरे लिए white छोड़. Let's do it here too and we'll do it here. नहीं, here we'll change. So a little bit of brown. Actually I want to use every color 2 places so that and this brown will come for the skin also because African ladies are dark skin toned. So gunchi punchi gunchi punchi gunchi punchi gu puchi 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 poo gunchi punchi gunchi punchi gunchi punchi choo pitti patta pot pot pit. Nahi bitti botta bitta butter butter hospital to make the bitter butter better butter bitti botta bitter better butter. Now slow motion. Bitty butter was bitter to make the bitter bitter butter better butter bitty butter bit of better butter. Again once more. Bitty butter but the butter was bitter to make the bitter butter better butter bitty butter better butter. अभी slowly है. ठहरो, ये हो गया. उसके बाद दूसरे में जाएंगे ना, वापस से करेंगे ऐसा कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ ऐसा वाला. There is no sound in YouTube, otherwise I would have made you all sing that. Okay, let's do the lips also. Same color, but in lips you have to just do the borders here, do the borders down. Okay, then we will use a little bit of red to pull it here, okay, the between part, yes, and then we shall do orange. Now should I start once again? Okay, bitty butter was bitter to make the bitter butter better butter bitty bottom bit of better butter. Again, you want me to do it again? Okay, I'm using rose pink and let's see which other combination. I'll take white. So let me do this here again. Bitty butter, bit of butter. I'm doing it in a slow motion. Now try to understand. Bitty, she bought a bit of butter. Bit मतलब थोड़ा सा butter. But the butter was bitter. मतलब कौड़ा था, कौड़ा. To make the bit थोड़ा सा. To make the bit of bitter butter better butter मतलब अच्छा butter. Bitty bought a bit of better butter. Understood now? Now should we start? Bitty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter to make the bit of bitter butter better butter. Bitty bought a bit of better butter. मजा आली. Bitty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter to make the bit of. ऐ काय केलं मी? ब्राउन केलं. ऐसा ही होता है. ज़्यादा बिटी बिटी कर रही हो ना. अभी बिटी नहीं, मेरे को थप्पड़ मार दिया. Okay, never mind. This rose pink we shall do it here also. 2 places every color. So again we'll start. असं उलटा करते आणि इकडे करते. Bitty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter to make the bit of bitter butter better butter. Bitty bought a bit of better butter. बस हो गया अभी. I have told you the slow motion part also. So now keep on practicing. ये पूरी ड्राइंग करते करते ना हर एक खड्डे में जाके यही बोलने का. बिट्टी बॉटर बिटो बटर 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 वॉज बिटर टू मेक द बिटो बिटर बटर बेटर बटर बिट्टी बॉटर बिटो बेटर बटर. बिट्टी बॉट अ बिट ऑफ बटर बट द बटर वॉज बिटर टू मेक द बिट ऑफ बिटर बटर बेटर बटर बिट्टी बॉटर बिट ऑफ बिटर बटर. मजा. Life is enjoyable, so I'm taking my chocolatey brown, I'm taking my deep yellow, and then I'm taking my yellow. Now 2 places. So let's do this place because brown will be the skin tone, so we'll not make it much. So bitter butter was bitter. कंटाला है ना बिट्टी butter bit. अच्छा, the mural painting, yes, coming to the topic. Mural painting will also be done, and I'm going to combine the mural art with the Lakshmi Narayan wala painting, but that painting is going to take a good amount of time. मैंने कौन सा कलर लिया था? हाँ, डीप येलो लिया था ना. ऐसा करोगे तो मैं भूल जाऊंगी. So I will do it a little bit of work at home and outside, because of which I can sometimes skip few days, so please excuse me for that. गुस्सा मत करो. ये फ्लोरेसेंट येलो आया क्या? नहीं, लेमन येलो है. फ्लोरेसेंट येलो नहीं चाहिए भैया. और झगड़ा मत करो, और गुस्सा मत करो. करो तो करो अपने घर के अंदर, धमाधम मस्त कलंदर. Ali the pahla number. Okay, I'm using brown again, children, but this time my combination will be brown and orange. Okay, so use different combinations. Even if you don't like my combinations, you all can have your own created combinations. No problems at all. Bitter butter. Nice सांगायचं. Okay, so I've done this. Now this combination I want to go in for blacks or dark browns and reds or maroon. I'll take maroon. Actually, I don't have anything in my head, but then I want to do it in some fashion which will look pretty. Black का as it is we are going to do. इसका full makeup होएगा ना black से, will look जबरदस्त. So, a colorful abstract African art. Hi na. Bolo. Hi na. I am using primary red. I forget to tell you all. Maroon, primary red and orange. Oi, कुठे गेला? इकडे गेला. I found it. झगड़ा मत करो. झगड़ा ऐसे टुचकी वाइट किधर छोड़ देने का. ओके, we haven't used purple, right? So let us use our darkest violet color. इकडे नाही आहे माझ्याकडे, मला दिसतं नाही आहे. Okay, I have violet and I have light violet. नहीं, both are violet, but it is still looking a difference in color. Let me see in my other box. Yes, I do have dark violet color. So let me use these 2 combinations. Okay, so I'm doing it here. Dark violet, the violet which we used in Galaxy. You remember I had finished the color in Galaxy, the violet color and the Persian blue color. So there's someone laughing. Now I'm using my light violet color to do the pancha bam 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 ba pancham ba pam 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 pa pancham bam pam 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 पम 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 पम. आणि मला चिनू मिनूचं वाईट तेच यूज करते मी. चिकडी. वाव, आई लव्ड इट ना. मस्त लग रहा है. अभी इसका कॉम्बिनेशन और किधर यूज करूं? नहीं, इसको एक अनोखा पीस रहने देते हैं. नाउ लेट अस यूज आवर डार्क ग्रीन and our yellow green or our leaf green. Okay, so let's use the greeny combination. So I'm using the greeny combinations. So my dark green, I'm using it here. use dark colors because it's a very darky coloring painting. There are some children who like light shades, pastel colors. These are also oil pastels. पोपट झालं. कचरा मोतोफाईक. Now this is my leaf green color. So I'm using wangdu. Hey wangdu. Te wangdu. Hey wangdu. Okay, now I'm using my yellow green color. असंच प्लेस करते मी. माझं हँड बहुत डर्टी आहे. ए वांगडू. ए वांगडू. अभी इधर क्या करें? Let's use skin color. We haven't used skin color yet. So I will combine skin with my orange. Yes, that would look better. So I've taken my orange, and my orange has little red also. So let it be. Okay. See, I told you now my orange has little red. But it's okay, because as it is we are doing shading. So I have done orange, and I'm using my skin color, right? Children's skin color, my flush tint color. ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं लग रहा है. Let me use a lighter shade of skin color. आहे का माझ्याकडे? आहे ना, माझ्याकडे सगळं आहे. So I'm using a lighter shade, but still it is looking. So I will leave a little bit of white so that the shade is seen properly. Now since see this part of mine is dirty, correct? So what am I going to do is I'm going to use gray and blacks. Okay, I've forgotten, I did not do anywhere else. Forget. हे कुठलं करू? Confusion आहे माझ्यावर. Let's see. I'll do it green. I liked the green. So because my book was dirty from here, I'm using this combination. Okay, children? So black is the most giantish color. It can खाओ any color. है ना? वो सबसे खतरनाक कलर होता है. You can see this कचरा? नहीं, I don't want you all to see this कचरा. Can you see it still? I'll crop it. तुम लोग ऐसा तनु टीचर का कचरा देखेगी, फिर तुम्हारी मम्मी बोलेगी तनु टीचर से तुम लोग सीखते हो, ओ भी नहीं अच्छे से रखती तो तुम लोग किससे अच्छे से रखोगे, है ना? इसलिए मैंने छुपा दिया. अभी छुपाई कि नहीं छुपाई वो तो वीडियो बनने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. है ना? हो कि नो? हो कि नो? हो. So with whites, okay, so this is done. I'm using my green combination again, that is my dark green, my leaf green, and because I haven't done anything, this is left. So let's do it green. So dark green. You all can use any combinations, children. There is no compulsion of using what I have done, because I have also not thought of it. I'm just doing whichever color is coming to my hand. Only the face, please do what I say. Otherwise तुम लोग African के जगह American बना दोगे. Okay, now this also I'm doing this combination. I liked the combination. Where is my black? And I liked the purple combination also, so I'm going to use it again. So this is black, then थोड़ा सा ग्रे गुल्ली किता, असं गल्ली किता, आणि थोड़ा white गल्ली किता, ऐसा कर दिया. Okay, so this is done. Now let us do purple here. Now for doing the purple, what we're going to do is take our dark violet, then take our light violet, and then take our whitey color and do jumpaka. So अभी ये करते हैं. इसको क्या करेंगे? बोलो. हम लोग इसको ब्राउन लेते हैं, इधर से थोड़ा सा ब्राउन गिंची पिंची करते हैं. Let's do it little differently. Then we will take our yellow and do ginchy pinchy, ginchy pinchy, ginchy pinchy, because this is supposed to be the the necklace part. Now this is, and this is also the necklace part, so we'll use the same combinations here, children. So we are going to do brown here. Okay, so we have done brown here. Even on the necklace, children, we are going to use brown. Okay, and I'll use a little bit of brown down also, but down I'm going to use a little one. मतलब जास्त press करू नाही असंच. Now I'm using my yellow color to do the gully pully pot. So I'm just pulling the brown out in a bunchy bunchy paw. See, bunchy punchy, however it is coming. Gumpda pumpda, gumpda pumpda, gumpda pumpda, gumpda pumpda, gumpda pumpda, gumpda pumpda. अब इधर भी ऐसे गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा. घर पे ऐसा करोगे ना तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा डर जाएंगे, बोलेंगे तुम लोग क्या कर रहे, गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा पुम्पड़ा गुम्पड़ा. मजा आली मला, खूपच मजा आली. So these ornaments are done. This is my skin color. This is also skin. Okay, now this is left. I'll use my rose pink color and my light violet color. कुछ भी सोच के कुछ भी करने का. Okay. So I'm using my light violet color here because this is a part of the headgear which she's wearing. You know, African ladies wear big headgears. Oh, I've gone up. मेरे को पता ही नहीं चलता, मैं घसीट घसीट के ऊपर चली जाती हूँ. I'll just clear it off and then I'll come back to you. Now I'm using my rose pink and my violet color, and with that let me use my light pink color. Use any. Now only my skin is left and these diamonds are left. Now since these diamonds are left, let us do the diamonds first. So for the diamonds I'm using only my Antwerp blue. Can you all adjust with me with these colors? Yes, please. So I'm using my Antwerp. Oi, itthe kithe aala. Antwerp blue. One I leave Antwerp blue. One I leave Antwerp blue. One I leave Antwerp blue. Antwerp blue. Antwerp blue. Antwerp blue. Antwerp blue. Then I'm going to use Gully. Gully, 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 Gully. Okay, now we shall start doing the skin. So to do the skin, it's a dark colored skin, so we are using a Gandewala brown. We are using the yellow grey color, which is the bhai of Gandewala brown, and we'll be using a little bit of white. So we will start with the forehead. So for the forehead, what we are going to do is Gandewala brown. See, remember the eyebrows are here. So this is the part which is going to be very dark. Okay. First I'm doing all the Gandewala browns so that you all understand where the Gandewala brown is supposed to be done. It has to be done here. Now just here, this side of the nose is Gandewala brown. Okay, this side of the eye here is little Gandewala brown. Then, okay, now this part is completely dark. We'll be using a little bit of black too over here, but that I'll show you. Okay, because this is again the skin color. Now this is merged and you all will not understand, but then I'll make you all understand. Don't you worry. Now this is again Gandewala brown here. It goes till inside and here. a little gande wala brown here. Children, every box has a gande wala brown, okay? It's the dark brown color. Now we are using the chota bhai of gande wala brown. So let's start with the forehead. Now to start with the forehead, we are not going to do this part because this part will be the shiny part. I'm just putting a little white right on top of her eyebrows. Just on top of her eyebrows, I've put a little bit of white. Now I'm using the yellow gray color to do it here. I'm just pulling the color out. See, now this will lighten. Just see the forehead. For the being, just see the forehead. Just concentrate on your forehead part. Okay. Now I'm using white to merge this front area. We cannot leave it completely white, children, because the skin tone of African ladies is dark. So we are supposed to use this tone here. Now here we are going to do a little bit, where did this color go? Little bit of makeup, eye makeup. So I have left this part free right away. Okay, so this is the gande wala brown here. Gande wala brown ka chota bhai here. This is the color here. Now this part, see, this is the cheek part. Okay, this is the shiny part. We will be using a little bit of red because she's put a little bit of makeup. A little bit of makeup, huh? Be very specific here. Now we are using gande wala brown because the skin is also there on the makeup. Now yes, I forgot this color. The dark color will come here once. Actually my chilka, never mind. Now I'm using my white to smudge this part here, the shiny nose part. Okay, now I'm using my white to do a, tutlo, never mind, I cannot do it with this now. I'm pressing the color, again it went off. See, this is my Camlin color. Dom's color never break like that, and they don't powder like that. This powders off. See, can you see the tukdas? Now they are of no use to me. Wait. Now we are going to use a little bit of our hand to do the smudging part. Initially Camlin colors were really very nice. I used to use them. Even my daughter used to use them. TT colors were excellent, but of late the best brand which is in the market is Dom's, children. Let me tell you, Dom's is the best brand. I'm just using a cloth to wipe a bit. Where did the color? Yes, it's in my hand. Dom's is the best brand available in the market at the moment. Now I'm using a little bit of this is really taxing when your colors break like that. Really दुख भी होता है और गुस्सा भी आती है. That is why I always Dom's. Okay, now I'm using my hand to smudge it because white color, I don't think so I have any whites left to smudge. Never mind, I'm a big jugadu, so I'm doing it with my little white edges in my finger. Never mind. Hota hai. Now this part. Again, this part will be your browns. Yes, children, you all can use your chocolatey brown instead. If you all use the chocolatey brown, the skin tone will be a little shiny. See, it will be a little shiny. So I will show you the shiny wala skin also. I'm doing a little bit of chocolatey brown and I'll then smudge it off. So you all will understand this will look more prettier. Now we are supposed to do the eye makeup. I left the eye makeup for the end because that is the best makeup, best part of the drawing is the eye makeup. Let me use a little bit of makeup for her. For that I'm using a little orange blush on here. See, the makeup comes from here, so I'm using a little orange blush on. Okay, and I'll be smoothing it with white. My white is very khatara. Every dabba I buy, my white becomes very khatara. I don't get good whites. So a little bit of shine. Let me scrape the little bit of color from here. I'm using the scraping technique because my white is not giving me that satisfaction which I should get. I'm using the scraping technique here, and then the okay. Now for the eye makeup, what I do is I take my yellow, gray, my whites. I need my whites here. Why it is doing this way? And I'll use this brown. Now what am I doing is she's applied a bit of shadow here. She's applied a bit of shadow here. Then there is a smudging with this deep yellow color. Deep yellow color. Where's my white gone? Stupid. My whites. No whites left with me. Shucks. Never mind. But still, I never lose my heart and I keep on doing till I'm successful. I never say कि हुआ नहीं तो छोड़ो जाने दो गंदा हुआ. I am not that sort. I'll keep on trying till I do the best. So a little bit of white down you have to leave, and I'm using a better color now. So now, oh, I forgot this. This has to be red. This has to be red. This has to be red. This has to be red with a little bit of orange. Orange, orange, orange. Okay, now the last part. For that I'm using my black because this is the Jadoo wala color. Okay, I'll do that later on. See, you are supposed to use a thick coat of your black everywhere. A very thick coat. Look at me. I'm doing this purposefully in front of you so that you'll do it the way I'm doing it. See, black kitna sara dabba ke kiya. I have made this part so less. Correct? Now this will be the eyelash part. This will be the eyebrows. The beauty of the painting comes when you do. Oh. So Tanu teacher is color khau teacher, color chudel. है ना, every color which comes to Tanu teacher's hand has to get murdered. I'm a murderer. Every drawing I break one color, right? Children who are following me since my froggy, I am breaking colors. It has been 86 videos till now. This is my 87th video and I am just breaking colors. I don't know why, but I do. That is what is Tanu Auntie meant for, breaking colors. So I'm using a very thick coat of black, children. This will enhance your drawing. Remember that this is a drawing which needs the black coat. Even if you all are using the Jadia marker to do this, later on please do it with your blacks. Okay, unless and until you don't do it with your blacks, again that is the rebordering of the entire drawing, your drawing will not show up. If you want your drawing to show up, if you want your African girl to look sundar, ati sundar, सुंदरों की सुंदर, सुंदरों नहीं, forget, सुंदरों की नहीं, ठीक नहीं आया, छोड़ो, सुंदरता की सुंदरी, I don't know what should I say. You should use, and then after you do this, on these checks, you're again going to put your hand. See, these are all tips, you know, these look so beautiful after they are done that you will feel, अरे ये किया कैसे? See, wherever I have done black, मैं सिर्फ black पे गाड़ी चला रही हूँ वापस, not on the face, but on these parts. मैं सिर्फ गाड़ी चला रही हूँ, वापस से black पे हाथ की गाड़ी, हाथ गाड़ी चलानी है, हाथ गाड़ी, उससे सुंदरता उभर कर आएगी बेटा, सुंदरता उभरेगी, उभरेगी. Actually, you know what? This part needs a little bit of white. But what to do? My color white is bad. Never mind. Okay, since I have already done this black, I'll take my Gande Wala brown. See, the eye makeup should be excellent. Remember, children, eye is the one which gives beauty to your drawing. So even if you're spending 15-20 minutes doing your eye, please do spend it. I would advise you to spend a lot of time doing your eye, unless and until you are not satisfied that your eye has come out to be good. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it, children. Eye makeup is the best makeup in any drawing. See, I'm just highlighting few parts with black. Okay, I put this so that the smile can be seen. I've done the nose. Let the nose go a little bit inside and a little bit of splash like that. So our African colorful girl is ready. Full with makeup, full colorful. Okay, wherever you're finding some Buddhas, please put your finger on. Check whether your hands are clean and then do it. This is all my white colors which was broken has come out. And travel on your black again and again till you are satisfied that you have done a great job. Okay, so bye till then. I will post this removing this kachra. If I cannot remove this kachra, you can't help it. Tanu aunties lick that. Bye bye.